Hello everyone, welcome to Beijing Nabway Beauty Equipment Manufacturer. Today let us introduce the latest and most professional fractional CO2 laser for skin rejuvenation, scar removal, acne scar removal, and also the stretch mark removal. And also we have the cutting head for cutting the skin tags, cutting the moles, and use this one. And also we have the woman vaginal testing and the rejuvenation heads optional. And let us introduce this machine from the key and this button. And normally this key is to turn on the machine that is working. And this is an emergency stop button. If when the machine is working, some error happens and you cannot use this key to close, then you can press this, the machine will stop working immediately. So, for safety. Okay. You can see the interface here. Our standards have the fractional skin resurfacing modes and also the normal cutting mode. This is normal cutting mode. Fractional first for skin resurfacing. And you can see the interface here. Duration means duration time. You can see this is the milliseconds. Means 1 point. How many milliseconds 1 point stay on skin working? The working time of 1 point means the duration. Also we call it pulse-wise time. Pulse-wise, 1 point. And repeat time means the interval time of 2 points. From the first point to second point, how many milliseconds in between as an interval, repeat time. And the distance. Distance means the distance between 2 points. Means how much millimeter from the 1 point to the second point. Normally we from 0.1 millimeter to 2.6 millimeter as maximum. This is the distance. Okay? And this is overline. Overline, we from 1 time to 20 times. Normally means when you press the foot pedal, how many times repeat treatments on the same area? How many times repeat on the whole treatment area? This is overline. Okay? And this is the power means we from 1 to 1 watts as minimum to maximum 40 watts. This is the laser total power. And we can see this is PE. PE means power, point energy, means how much energy of 1 point energy. Normally, point energy depends on the duration and power. How many milliseconds 1 point remains on skin, and how much energy you use on 1 point. So you can see when I add the duration, for example, you can see when I add the duration time from 0.1 to 0.3, you see the PE also add more. So, and also when I reduce the power energy, the PE point energy also reduce. So this one depends on duration and the power. See here. And this is CR. CR means coverage rate. Means how many shot or points coverage on this treatment area. So we call CR, coverage rate. And coverage rate depends on the distance of the 2 points, and also the treatment area. And you can see if I reduce the distance, see? If I reduce the 2 point distance, then the coverage rate adds more because we can do more points on the same area. If I add more, the coverage rate is reduced because the distance longer. So the coverage is have less points on the area. This is CR. And also we can see the treatment size here, shape. We have 5 shapes from the circle, triangle, See here? Circle, triangle, square, rectangle. We have different shapes. Which shapes you choose depends on the treatment area. If you do the sky and the sky is a line, you just use the rectangle, and you can adjust the size. You see, the lines and the lines you can adjust. See, also you can adjust shorter, more shorter. If you just do the sky here, just a line, you can use this shape. If you want to do the face for the large area, you can use the square and add more large area. Add more large. The maximum of the whites and lines, all the 20 millimeter. You can see here also changes. 20 millimeter, very large, and also here, add more. Okay, this is a large size, 20 and 20. And this is the scan order. We have 3 orders, order, disorder, and half. Order means the point from the first one to the end one, in order, like this, in order, in order, in order, in order. And disorder means all the points, no order, like this, disorder. And half means from the 2 sides, start, and then in the end. To choose which mode depends on your treatment scope and also the feeling of the clients. Okay, and you can see here there are 5 modes, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different modes. You can store 5 modes, all the parameters. After, for example, you set everything well, then shapes well, length well, then you can press 1 and save. So next time when you enter the interface, you can press 1 directly. The interface and the parameters you stored already you can use directly. For example, if you use this, you can adjust everything like this. Then you can press second mode and save. So you can press 5 modes. And the preview, we have a leading guide of the preview. It can leading where the laser it is. So you can press the preview. We have the white line to guide you where the laser will working on. Okay, this is the interface. It's very simple to use it. And now we can introduce some suggestion parameters of which treatments you can use. Okay, now let us introduce how to set the parameter for different treatment scopes. I will give you suggestion parameters of the interface setting. You can see there are 2 modes optional. Fractional mode if you do the scar removal, acne scar removal, stretch mark removal, skin rejuvenation, and you can use fractional mode. If you want to use the cutting head to do the skin test cutting or most cutting, you can use normal cutting mode. Let us introduce fractional mode first. Okay. If you want to do the skin rejuvenation mainly, you can use the energy 30 watts or from 30 watts to 35 watts is okay. So skin resurfacing again, normally when you're 30 watts to start is okay for the energy. And duration time, normally we use 0.6 milliseconds for skin resurfacing. And the repeat time, normally we use 2 milliseconds or 3 milliseconds is okay. And the distance of the 2 points if you do the skin resurfacing is 0.8 to 1 millimeter. Now we do 0.8 millimeter start. And overnight, we do one time is okay. No need to repeat. No need to repeat. So just one time. Okay. So after we set this well, you can see the point energy is 12 millijoules of each point energy is okay. And coverage rate is 72% for whole face skin rejuvenation. This parameter is okay. If you do the skin rejuvenation for face, and we suggest you can use this square. You can use the maximum lines and maximum lines to 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter. Okay, see here. The lines and lines always maximum. So large area can do the whole face more faster to finish this treatment. And if the narrow area, for example, the nose and the mouth, you can later change the shape again. Now it's ready. Before treatments, we can test on the piece of paper. If you do the skin resurfacing, we just use energy, one piece of paper, not totally penetrate, just half penetrate is okay. Hold the handle. When you test, you can hold the handle vertical, not this, not this. It's like this, vertical, and closely touch, not this. This is correct. Then press the foot pedal. Okay. We can see the paper here. This is the one piece of paper. See, you only can see a little bit points penetrate, not totally penetrate. See, one piece of paper, not totally penetrate. This is the best energy for skin resurfacing. Okay, now let us introduce. If we do the acne removal or acne scar removal, then we add the energy to 25 watts. 25 watts to start. And duration time is to 0.4 or 0.5 is also okay. Normally we also use 0.4 milliseconds is okay. And repeat time, we use 2 milliseconds or 3 milliseconds. And distance, we need to shorten to 0.6 millimeter is okay for acne removal, because we need to shorten the 2 points distance to broaden the coverage rate of the whole face and a one-time treatment. Now you can see the point energy already 40 millijoules, add more for acne scar removal. And the coverage rate, we already reached to 80%, more thick, more intensity coverage rate. Then the shape, you can adjust, for example, square, rectangle, this. According to your client treatment area, we can use this. And order, we can use this order. Normally we use this order, or order also okay. Then we test. If you do the acne scar removal, we suggest 2 pieces of paper. 2 pieces of paper is okay. One piece of paper totally penetrates. The second piece of paper not totally penetrates. Okay. We hold like this. You can see this is for acne scar removal. Acne. One piece of paper totally penetrates. And the second piece of paper, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So not totally penetrate the second. If you think the energy is not totally strong, you can add more power, for example, to 37 watts. Or you can add more to duration time 0.5 milliseconds to do acne removal. If you think the clients have a severe acne scar on the skin. For example, we do a test again. Ready? Okay. If you add a little bit of energy here, you can see one piece of paper totally penetrates. Two pieces of paper you can see more severe, can see penetrate the second. See, now totally penetrate. But the energy is more stronger on the second piece of paper. So this energy can do severe acne removal. Okay, so you can adjust according to the paper test. It's okay. Okay, let us introduce the third one. It's for scar removal and stretch mark removal on the skin. Normally we use maximum power, for example the 40 watts maximum. And the duration time, normally we use 0.6 milliseconds, is okay. And repeat time, normally we use 2 milliseconds. Distance, if we do the stretch mark, is to 0.5 millimeter. Because we shorten the distance, the coverage rate will larger to 84%. And the energy you can see, point energy also very a little bit high to 24 millijoules. And if we do scar removal, also change the shape. For example, the triangle. Then we're ready. If we do the scar, we need to penetrate two pieces of paper, totally, completely penetrate. Okay. We can see this is the triangle. Triangle one piece. 看不见吧? This is the one piece. See, totally penetrate. This is the second paper. See, penetrate. Second piece of paper. See here. Okay, so if we do the scar removal, we need to totally penetrate two pieces of paper. Then the energy means it's okay. Okay, now we see this model. Today we do the acne here, acne scar here, and also see here. And also we do the nose. The nose here have acne here, and also we have the scar here and there. We will remove the scar and acne scar and acne on the nose here. Okay, the first step is to remove all the cosmetics, clean the face first without cosmetics, and also touch here, no filler and implants here. If you have the implant and the filler here, can now do the CO2 laser first. And then we use the salt water to clean the treatment area again. To clean first. And if also have the beard, you see, have the beard here, we need to shave the beard here to remain the treatment area is better for the treatments today. Okay, this is the first step, is cleaning. And then the second step, we suggest you can apply the numb cream to the treatment area. Then the clients will no feeling, it's very comfortable. We normally apply a layer of the numb cream, is okay, like this. 可以了吗，小哥？可以了吗？
这个地方可以，这可以，没有关系。
Okay, after this, we can use the plastic wrap to cover the treatment area. 看我这个。嘴呢？
没事，还有其他的。
逼着弄。我把它那个鼻子和这个指甲这个地方都抹了。
嗯。
我这麻药抹的够吗？还得是没做全的，全是真不够。Okay, we cover a plastic wrap and let the numb cream normally 30 minutes and 40 minutes. 30 minutes I think is okay to numb the cream. And after 30 minutes, we clean the numb cream and then we can do the treatment. Okay, now after 40 minutes passed, the numb cream is okay. We need to clean the numb cream. Remove the plastic wrap. Then remove all the numb cream. Okay. We need to use the salt water to clean the face again. Okay. Then now it's ready for the treatments. And because today we do the acne removal, so we need to set the parameters well. You need to wear the protector for the lines of the eyes. Not that. Okay. Protect the eyes here. Okay. Also, we will send you the Google laser for CO2 laser with the machine. This one, special for CO2 laser. You can wear this. Okay. Okay. Because we will do the acne treatment here. You see, we have a light. Show you the treatment area. See here. You can adjust the area. Hold the hand like this. Then you can see. If we change the size here, here also have the preview. So okay, if we choose this size, we can test. Okay, here and here, not repeat is okay. Okay, here we can have a preview performance here. Okay, now it's ready. Ready. Then we press the foot pedal and hold the handle like this.没有声音，
晃晃的。
我戴手套调不了。你说对吗？差不多吧。哎呦，我觉得他这没啥豆坑豆印儿，真的。我又不知道，我做完了，我发现不知道做哪儿了。
这个不用改，
啊？
不用改，一会儿不用改，一秒拿仪器。
Okay, now we do the face one time is okay. Do the acne scar here. And now we will do the nose here. Okay, we finish all the acne removal for the mouth area and also the nose area. Every area we just do one time is okay. And every time I put the handle here and I will see the shape preview the treatment area like this shape. If some narrow areas, I will put on handles here, see the area. Then I will adjust on the interface of the whites and lines to adjust the size is here, is okay. And now we will start to do the scar removal on the here and here. We will adjust energy again. Okay, now we do the scar removal. We will adjust the energy to maximum 40 watts, duration 0.5, repeat 2, distance overlap 1. The point energy is 20, coverage rate is 80%. I choose the shape square shape, this one, and also this order. Then preview, and I put the handle is here. Then I change the size. 能看见吗？这样。And I narrow the whites. Okay, it's very narrow, see, just like the scar. Okay, now we can do the treatments. Put on here. Okay, the scar, only the scar area. And also we have a scar here. So we put the handle like this. Okay, now I will change the shape. Okay, now it's okay. Ready. Then we do the scar here. Okay. The scar also finished. Okay, after treatments, now we will do the after skincare. Normally we use freeze-dried polymerized. Also the epidermal growth factor to let the acid to penetrate the skin to do repair. It have two sides. This is powder and this solution. We open it and open it. And we put solution to the powder. to mix it. Okay, this one. I will open it. Okay. Now we will apply on the face. Okay. Okay, after we apply this, we will apply facial mask to hydrating. Because now the skin have CO2 heat, laser heat, and also he needs the water to on the skin. You can use the medical hydrating facial mask to hydrating only, not for skin tightening, whitening, just hydrating. Use this one. Okay. You can put off this. Okay. Now it's okay, hydrating. We suggest per day you can apply 3 pieces hydrofacial, 3 pieces hydrating facial mask on the skin. If you feel dry and if you're hot, then you can use the ice to cooling. Also, you can use this facial mask to cooling, and hydrating is okay. And during per week, you need protect from sunshine. Cannot go to outside and have the sunshine here. You need to protect. And also every day, you need to apply the facial mask to hydrating. And you can use the salt water to clean the face. And tomorrow you will find there a little bit scar on the skin. And then the day after tomorrow, the scar will leave out day by day. And during 5 working days and 7 days, the skin will recover and the scar will move out. It's okay. Okay, now we also have the cutting head. We will send you 2 pieces. These are different size of the laser. They are cutting head. Cutting head is here. And you change the head screw here. And then change this is okay. Okay, now it's cutting mode. There are 3 modes for cutting. The first mode is pulse mode. Means working, stop, working, stop, working, stop. This is not continuously. So if you do the area not continuously, so you can use this one. This one is more safe. Normally we set the energy from 10 to start. Then on time and off time, you can set according to your faster speed. It's okay. Ready, working is okay. And then the second mode, you can see this is continuous mode. Means when you do the treatments, it's continuously working. Normally, if we cut the skin tags or molds, we can start from 15 watts. It's okay. This is single. When you press the foot pedal, just 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. Press 1 time, then later output 1 time. Normally, we just remove a circle of skin tags in the small area. And this is the cutting head. If you want the vaginal tightening and the vaginal skin rejuvenation, you can buy the vaginal heads also to this CO2 laser machine. Okay, this is our CO2 laser, how to use the machine after you receive it. And you can contact us. And see you next time. Bye-bye.